Next, if you see this integration of x power minus 1 by 3 times 1 plus x power 1 by 3 whole power 1 by 4. So in this question, the value of p is a rational number. It's not an integer. So what you need to check is, you first need to check m plus 1 by value of m. M plus 1 by m. So what is the value of this? So in this case, m is minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by n is 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 plus 1 is 2 by 3 by 1 by 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. You get 2 as the answer. So this is an integer. So if m plus 1 by n is an integer, then the valid substitution is 1 plus x power 1 by 3, whatever is there in the bracket, is equal to t power, the denominator of this t is t power 4. So let us see what happens if I do the substitution. So 1 by 3 x power minus 2 by 3 dx is equal to 4 t cube dt. So dx is equal to 12 t cube times x power 2 by 3 dt. So if I do this substitution integration of x power minus 1 by 3, x power 1 by 3 is t power 4 minus 1. So x power minus 1 by 3 is 1 by t power 4 minus 1 times dx. This is t power 4 whole power 1 by 4 is t, times dx is 12 t cube times x power 2 by 3. X power 2 by 3 dt. So here you have, I just have substituted this unnecessarily. So if I put x is equal to, this is x power minus 1 by 3 into x power 2 by 3. So these two combined will become, so 12 t power 4 times x power minus 1 by 3 into x power 2 by 3 is x power 1 by 3. And x power 1 by 3 is t power 4 minus 1 dt. That is equal to 12 times integration of t power 8 minus t power 4 dt. That is equal to 12 times t power 9 by 9 minus t power 5 by 5 plus c is the answer, where t is nothing but 1 plus x power 1 by 3 whole power 1 by 5. So that is equal to 12 times 1 plus x power 1 by 3 whole power 9 by 4 by 9 minus 1 plus x power 1 by 3 whole power 5 by 4 by 5 plus c is the answer. So I hope you are understanding the different types of substitutions that work in different cases. Now let's go to the last case.